Hello and welcome to Elite Geospatial. So in this video we're going to look at how to download and install Terrset. Congratulations, Terrset is officially available for free on their website. So I'm going to leave a link to the download at the description. So you go to the description and then click on it, then follow the steps I'm going to follow. So just copy the link or you double click on it and then you paste the link on your browser. But in your case, you just need to click on it, and then you have this site pop up. So it's, I think, officially, I don't know if Clark University owns the site and the software, but this is where you can find it. So you either come on to this set here, and then you go to download, or you go down, and then you're going to see download by the right hand side here. But before we do that, let's look at some of the key features of the Libra GIS software. So we're going to, it's coming with v20 GIS analysis, v20 image processing, land change modeler, habitat and biodiversity modeler, geoseries, and then earth trend modeler. These are the features is coming with. So and it's available for free, so you could go to their resources, look at their bibliography and all that. You can go through it to have a better understanding. So you click on download, and then you're going to click on download Terrset Libra GIS. So it's a version 20. That's from what I then you have the system requirement, the kind of system that this will pick, and then we have the service update. It has been updated from the v20 Silver to Terrset 18.3, and then we're in Terrset 2020. And you can just get it, and you have the data. You can download data for the tutorial data for you to be able to get your hands on how to use this. And then finally we click on this download Terrset Libra GIS. So it's taking us to a GitHub site, and you will just click on this release here. You can download the Terrset installer from the release page. So once you are at the release page, you scroll down, and then you're going to have the setup Terrset Libra GIS version 20. It's around 625 megabytes. So just click on it. So it's downloading. So let's wait for it to download, and we will get back after the download. So once it's downloaded, you see it in the folder you selected for your download. So you double click on it, left double click, and it's install for all users, install for only me, install for me only. But basically, just so that someone has access to your system, so let's go for install for all users. Now click on yes, and what language do you want? So it's English, is Espanol, Francais, and all languages. But I'm an English speaker, so I'll go with the English. So just follow the instruction. You're asking it that I should create a shortcut for you. I usually don't like shortcut on desktop, and so I'll just go next. If you prefer to have a shortcut on desktop, you check this, then you click on next, and it's telling you the destination to which this will be installed, and then you click on install. So our installation is completed, and then you just click on finish. Now the moment you click on finish, Terrset will start coming up, because on the download it has whether it should automatically start the should launch the software. Yes, it has done that. Now because it is a free and licensed software that was given freely, you don't need to put any license code or anything, so it automatically just open. So you can see your A3C GIS analysis, where we have database query, class overlay, logic, and all that. Then we have mathematical operators, we have distance operators, we have statistics, and all of that. Then under the A3C image processing, we have restoration, where you can resample, Lancet upsample, that is more like pan sharpening. Then we have local, FM, mosaic, in all that are found inside image processing. Enhancement, we have stretch, composite, filter, pan sharpen. Then we have transformation and all that. So then if we come to learn change modeler, it's just a standalone. So basically and all that. So with time we'll get into all of this one by one. But for now, it's just basically how to download and install this software, and it's free. So thank you for tuning in today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and recommend this channel to someone. And I will see you in the next video.